Here I've got OPPO A5 2020, and let me show you how to set up alarm on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open clock application. Then if you are in some other tab, go back to alarm and click on plus icon. And now you can smoothly change the hour. So let me set up alarm at 7 AM. So let's pick 7, then AM. And now we can change the label. So click on label, delete the current one and enter the label that you would like to have. I will enter wakey wakey. And then you can pick if it should be repeated on every Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and also Saturday. I will pick from Monday to Friday. And then you can also change the ringtone. Just click on ringtone and pick the one that you would like to have. Let me choose, for example, gathering. Let's go back, and now you can decide if you want your alarm to vibrate. You can switch it off or on, and also you can activate snooze if you want to, or you can also deactivate it. So once you personalize the alarm, click on save, and that's it. From now on, this alarm is active. You can then permanently switch it off by tapping on this icon, and now it will not ring on the days for which it is set up, and then you can activate it one more time by tapping on the switcher. So that's basically all. This is how you can set up an alarm in your OPPO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.